各位同學，大家好，歡迎大家一齊嚟到 Zen Art B Club 2上堂。我係你哋嘅英文老師 Miss 英。今日我哋一齊嚟溫下動詞表先。好多同學學英文時最頭痛就係記唔到不規則動詞 irregular verbs 嘅過去式 past tense、過去分詞 past participle， 仲有 present continue ing form。今集我就同大家一次過重溫。我哋今集會溫 A 至 B 嘅不規則動詞 irregular verbs。一 B 嘅現在式 present tense 可以係 is 或 am 或 are， 而過去式 past tense 係 was 或 were。過去分詞 past participle 係 been， ing form 係 being， become became become becoming。三開始 begin began begun beginning。四咬 bite bit bitten biting。五吹 blow blew blown blowing。六打破 break broke broken breaking。七攜帶 bring brought brought bringing。八建築 build built built building。九燃燒 burn burned 或 burn burned 或 burn burning。十買擺 bought bought buying。大家記到未呢？俾1分鐘時間大家記下，然後我哋一齊默下呢個動詞表。Dictation time 試默時間。1 B 2 begin 3 bite 4 blow 5 buy。1分鐘時間試默。時間到，我哋一齊對答案。1 B was 或 were been being。2 begin began begun beginning。3 bite bit bitten biting。4 blow blew blown blowing。5 buy bought bought buying。大家默成點？如果有唔熟嘅，就要重溫下。跟着落嚟，我哋一齊做下一啲時態練習。1 She usually walk to school, but today she take the bus. 1 She usually walk to school, but today she take the bus. 2 I not see him since last summer. 2 I not see him since last summer. 3 When I arrive, they play soccer in the park. 3 When I arrive, they play soccer in the park. 4. By next year, I complete my degree. 4. By next year, I complete my degree. 5. They wait for the train when it suddenly starts to rain. 5. They wait for the train when it suddenly starts to rain. 我哋一齊對答案。1. She usually walks present simple to school, but today she's taking present continuous the bus. Present simple walks 表示佢嘅日常習慣或一般事實。Present continuous is taking 表示佢今天正在進行嘅特殊動作，與平時嘅習慣唔同。2. I have not seen present perfect him since last summer. Present perfect have not seen 表示自從去年夏天以來，我同他之間嘅聯繫一直冇發生過，強調咗過去嘅動作與現在嘅相關性。3. When I arrived, past simple, they were playing past continuous soccer in the park. Past simple arrived 表示一個已經結束嘅過去事件，具體時間係已經過去嘅。Past continuous were playing 表示係我到達時，佢哋正在進行呢個動作，強調嘅係動作嘅持續性。4. By next year, I will have completed future perfect my degree. Future perfect will have completed 表示係明年之前，未來嘅某個時點，我嘅學位將會完成，強調到某個時點嘅完成動作。They were waiting, past continuous, for the train when it suddenly started, past simple, to rain. Past continuous were waiting 表示佢哋係一個特定嘅過去時間正在進行嘅動作。Past simple started 表示一個已經結束嘅動作，凸顯降雨事件與佢哋等待火車之間嘅時間關係。各位同學記得要記熟個動詞表。Success is not the key to happiness. Happiness is the key to success. If you love what you are doing, you will be successful. By Albert Schweitzer。如果大家想同我一齊學多啲英文文法，請大家訂閱、讚好同分享 Art B Club 2 Gather 呢個頻道。各位同學再見。